Hi, this is Miss Claywell with Skill um, 9 on parent functions. So we're going to be in Desmos and in our notes. So on the left of my screen is a desmos.com. On the right is what your notes will look like. So we're doing this idea of parent functions. So parent functions are like our basic functions that we then move right, left, up, or down. So we're going to identify what our parent functions are. Our first one is y equals x. So I'm going to graph that on the left. And I can also see that I can also do a table. If I put in a -3, a -2, a -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I can see that when I fill this in, I have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this would look something like this. So this is a linear line. Our next function is a quadratic. So this is y equals x squared. And then if I want a table, I have 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. And it's going to look something like that. Cubic is y equals x to the third. And then if I want a table, that's what the table looks like. So at -2, I have -8, -1, 0, 1, 8. And then absolute value looks like that. So remember, absolute value is taking anything negative and makes it positive. We're seeing how far away from 0 it is. Then I have a rational function, which looks like this. If I go to my table value, I'm going to do these. I'm also going to add -1/2 and +1/2. So basically it looks something like that. And like that. So this is a rational function. When x equals 0, it's undefined. And then the square root function, I'm just going to do it to the 0.5 power. Or you can do it, you can type in the word square root. Either way, you get the same thing. If I make a table for it, I can't do any negatives. Because we can't take a negative square root. So it looks something like that. So we're just going through and finding our parent functions. This is our last one. A constant function is when y equals 1. So regardless of my input, my output is always 1. So this looks like this. It's constant. You don't think of it as y equals 0, x plus 1. So I started at 1, and then I didn't move right or left at all. So we're going to talk about what the parent function is in each of these. So the parent function here is x squared. The parent function here is the absolute value. The parent function here is square root. The parent function here is x squared or quadratic. So we're looking at what is the main function going on. So we added like 6 or 2s and things like that, but we're looking at the main function going on. And then when we look at the graphs, we can do the same. The main function going on is linear, or y equals x. This is mainly like a square root. This is mainly like a quadratic. So coming up, we're going to learn how to move these things up, down, right, left, change the shape of them. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.